Well, it's early Saturday morning. The old foremost hadn't even been used yet, but we're fixing to hit the road with it and go down south of town here about 30 miles and works a yearling herd we have down there. So about to leave the house. This thing's fixing to hit the road. When we got to our destination, the landowner wanted to use his head gate. So we started working these steers with his head gate, and lo and behold, it broke. So now it's time to bring in the backup, which is this brand new foremost. So Craig's backing foremost up to the alley so we can get started. Come here, we go. All right. What I like about this foremost is its portability. We were able just to pull this thing down the highway with ease. It's easy to set up. The only thing we took off was the tow bar. We left, once we lowered the jacks, we just left the tires in place, and then we started working. All set up, ready to go. Crisis avoided. Really happy with the purchase of this foremost. This is exactly what I was looking for. Portability, ease of use. It catches the small heads. Has a neck extension. It has a palpate cage. And we work 75 steers real quick. It's very sturdy, heavy duty, and we're really happy.